Hey, how you doing? This is Pop Up D. Maybe you'll remember me from other things that I've done, maybe not. But one of the things, can you guess where I was born? Huh? Say it. Philadelphia. Nice hat, Phillies. No, they've had some bad teams lately, but what are you going to do? I wrote a little thing about Philadelphia, a little bit about when I was growing up, and I want to just relate that to you right now. Don't run away, okay? Just bear me out. Listen to it. It's called Philadelphia. What else? Born in the land of Ben and Sly during the year 33 in the 20th century. Born to be poor, didn't know it, didn't show it. Never hungry by no means, had plenty of pasta and navy beans in Philadelphia, PA, in the USA. We played games all day, those games of old. Kick the can, half ball, pitching pennies, picking up butts from the curb, going up the alley for a smoke. At 8 years old, that was no joke, in Philadelphia, PA, in the USA. All those Italian folks, Irish folks, and black folks too, all got along, at least till 2 a.m., that is, when the bars would close, and at times we'd come to blows in Philadelphia, PA, in the USA. Pool halls, bars, number writing on every corner, lots of action all day long. No television, computers, or cell phones to interfere. When day was done, off to the bar to get some beer in Philadelphia, PA, in the USA. Grew up and left this great old town. Raised a family while moving around. The kids are still playing, but it ain't the same. Cell phones, texting, playing that video game, even in Philadelphia, PA, in the USA. Dying in the year 11 in century 21. Coming back to lie under the Philly sun. Wouldn't have it any other way in Philadelphia, PA, in the USA. Thanks for listening. Hey, if you got any comments, let me know about it. If you don't like it, say it. Tell me why. Take me out of my misery if you don't like it. If you like it, say so. I'm spending a lot of time. I ain't got much time left. So you might as well go ahead and say something. It's not going to hurt me. Thanks for listening anyway. Bye-bye.